Welcome to another episode of the Daily Digital. I'm Kate Murray. Today I'm talking about WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. What's the difference? Let's dive in.
First things first, most people think WordPress is free. However, it's important to understand what exactly is free about it. Note that WordPress comes in two very different platforms, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. They have almost the same name, but there are some very big differences between the two. The code itself that makes up the WordPress files is free on WordPress.org. That's what the term open source means, that developers or people who know how to write the code can go there for information. What most small business owners don't understand is that in order to take advantage of all the free and open source code, you've got to know what to do with that code. And even if you're fully versed in HTML, JavaScript, and PHP, the coding languages necessary to build out a WordPress website, the plugins often contain code that doesn't play nicely with other plugins. But in order for your website or blog to be up and running on the World Wide Web 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, those files that you got for free need to be stored somewhere, and that's called hosting. Hosting, or storing your website's files, is not free, and neither is owning your domain name. So what does this all mean? Bloggers looking for a freebie can go to WordPress.com to set up a free site, but there are some major limitations. If you want a WordPress website that has the ability to make money, in other words, if you're a business owner who wants to sell something on your website, or if you're a blogger who wants to make money by blogging, then you absolutely need to purchase your website through a registrar such as GoDaddy or Bluehost. I'm an affiliate partner of both GoDaddy and Bluehost. So if you choose to set up your WordPress website using either one of those registrars, then use the link in the comments below because those links will give you my discounted pricing. If I had to choose one, I would recommend GoDaddy. Now, back to the comparison. WordPress.com doesn't let you pick a custom domain name, so your URL would be yoursite.wordpress.com. It has very limited monetization options. In other words, you can't sell ads, and there's very little opportunity to make money from your blog or your website. WordPress.com does not allow you to upload any plugins. This makes it very difficult for building a brand around your business. It has very limited theme support, so you're stuck with very basic designs. And then you'll have to pay money anyway to remove the WordPress branding. On the other hand, WordPress.org is fully customizable with unlimited plugins, your own branding, full monetization, and very powerful SEO features. The other advantage is that you have the capability to set up a membership site or an affiliate site. That means you can sell a digital course from your website, all for a very small fee of less than $100 per year. And there you have it, WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. If you have any questions at all, please post them in the comments below. I'll see you next time on the Daily Digital.